Hey everyone, welcome to BODMAS revision. I'm glad to see that you're watching this because we have only done this once. It is hard. It is a grade 60, year 70 concept, so I'm glad that you're watching this and it's okay to not know what's going on. The examples that I'm going to do are from the sheet that is attached as your warm-up. We have done this sheet before. I wanted to do this one again so that hopefully you think, oh yeah, that's right, I remember, and you feel a bit more confident than just, oh my God, what am I doing? First step every time is to start at the top and work your way down. I've got 3 examples that I'm going to do, and you can see that they're all different, so I will hit every one of these steps. Questions don't always have to have all of this in every single one. You can see that there's no multiplications here, there's no multiplications here, there's no divisions or brackets here, but you still work through this to get to the end answer. The way I set out these questions and the way I work through it is how I want you to work through it. So they are multi-step questions. You have to do a couple of things before you get to the answer, and the way I lay it out is how I want you to lay it out. So before each question, ask yourself, does it have brackets? We're working on 7 plus 9 times 2. We need to figure out if it's 7 plus 9 times 2 or 7 plus 9 times 2. So we're going to use this to work through it. Brackets, do we have any? No. Orders, which is the little 2. Do I have any? No. Do I have any divisions? No. Do I have any multiplications? Yes, I do. This is actually 9 times 2. So what we're going to do is work out that answer, put it right underneath, and then fill in the rest of the question. 9 times 2, 2 groups of 9, 18. Going to write that there, then fill in the rest of the question. Now we've got 7 plus 18 equals, do it in your head, do it vertically. I'm going to do it vertically. Oh, I nearly wrote the answer then. Focus that again, sorry. I know that 8 and 7 are very close to each other. They are near doubles, so I'm going to do double 8, which is 16. Take away 1 because this isn't quite 8, it's 1 less. Gives us 15. Carry my 1. Now I've got 1 plus 1 equals 2. 25. 25 is our answer. So this layout, this is what I'm expecting to see in your warm-ups. Let's move to another one which has a different bunch of operations in it. Let's look to the start again. Do we have brackets? Yes, we do. So we start there. 4 take away 3 equals 1. Now I write out the rest of the question. Equals. So 21 divided into one group equals 21. One group of 21. 21. Fairly easy one there. So we started with our brackets, then we went next to our division because that was the next thing in there. Let's look at this last one here. Orders, sometimes this O is of, but it's also orders, which is the little 2. In this case here, it's a little 3. So this means 2 times 2 times 2. It means 3 lots of this. So I'm going to do some working out over here, and then I'm going to write this one here. Oh, no, I'm not. I've got brackets. Let's start at the brackets. Don't always start at the start. All right, so let's look at the brackets. Brackets is first. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Now I write out the rest of my question. I go backwards just because I'm left-handed and I do everything else backwards. You write it forwards if you want, and if your hand isn't going to rub out half your writing. All right, so there's our first step done. Now we go to orders, because even though it was first, it's not first in this list. All right, so now we're doing 2 times 3. No, we're not, sorry. We're doing 2 times 2 equals 4 times 2. So now we're doing 4 times 2. We're doing the answer equals 8. So if you do that in your head, if you do 2 times 2 times 2, you're doing 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2 again, which gives us 8. So now we're writing 8 take 4. So because I had 2 things to work out, here comes Nelsy. Thanks for helping us, Nels. because I had two things to end up working out. I end up with 2 lines of new answers. So here I just had the brackets. Now I've got the order and the brackets answer. Let's put our equal sign in. 8 take 4 equals 4. There's our answer. So pause it there if you want to keep that on your screen. Pause it here if you want to keep that on your screen. Good luck.